Do you need to know how to change your wiper blades on your Seat Ibiza? I'll also show you how to get the wipers into what's called the service position. Stay tuned, let me show you how. The Ibiza comes with unequal length blades, 24-inch on the driver's side, 16-inch on the passenger side, and as standard it's fitted with aero style blades. In my opinion, it's definitely easier to do the passenger side wiper, the short one, with the wipers in their normal parked position, but you'll probably find it easier to do the driver's side one in the service position. Lift the blade slightly off the screen. Be careful because you can't actually lift these arms all the way up. At the hinge end they foul against the bonnet. There's a button on the top there. Press that button in and pull the blade forward from the arm. You may have to tug quite hard to get it off if they've been on for quite a while. To set your windscreen wipers in the service position, turn the ignition on without starting the engine, turn it back off again and withdraw your key, then press your wipe stalk to the flick wipe position and release, and as you saw there, the wipers will rise up the screen almost to their full extent and stop in the park position. Press the little button on the wiper arm and push upwards. When you put in the new wiper blade back onto the arm, go in at a slight angle first, push it down ever so slightly, straighten it up and then push down all the way. To release the wipers from the park position, key in, ignition on and press the flick wipe again. Short and sweet today. If you got value out of this video, give it a thumbs up down by the title. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.